vacation? No, I'm actually here for him.
That's sweet.
You gotta go back outside, dude.
Been here for a while. We'll see how much longer this takes. Okay, Timmy is here. Hopefully, I think I left hair gel in his car because my hair looks like hell because I'm out. Let's see if he's here. This is him right here. No, it's not. That's it. Right there. Timmy made it.
Got it.
Fresh cut Friday.
Wait, do you see a picture?
Alright guys, we are home. We just skipped like 2 hours. Everyone's back in the basement and we're just hanging out, shooting pool and stuff.
You had it, dude.
Yeah.
We're not going to...
Can you, she's out here on the front lawn.
I have to get this damn dog. Gotta get Bella. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. Today was super random. Didn't do too much, surprisingly. I'm gonna edit this and throw in some of the other clips from earlier this morning. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be doing some new vlogs, but like other type of videos too, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I mean, I just have other ideas for this channel. I'm obviously going to keep doing daily vlogs, but something new, just like not every YouTuber does. So stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, like, comment, you know all the rest. Comment saying what's up or something I should do. Comment something I should do, and I'll do it in my vlog. And yeah, that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I already said that, and I'm out. That's like 400-foot drop, sheer cliff. Like literally, this rock straight down. Look at this. Look how high up we are. Taller than all those condos and stuff. And taller than this hawk flying around there. Oh my god, the cars are like tiny. This camera doesn't do it justice. We are so far up.